All right, so I just wanted to do a quick video on how to set up a local Windows backup. And this would apply to Windows 10 or for Windows 11. Now all you're going to have to do is go to the search bar and type in Control Panel and pull up the Control Panel option. And then what I typically do is under this view type, I'll change it to large icons so not everything is in categories. Then I'll come up here to Backup and Restore. Then we're going to click on this Setup Backup. Just kind of start doing its thing here. And what we're going to do after this is we're actually going to choose one of my local hard drives. I'm just going to say the data disk. And then I've let Windows decide in the past, but I've had customers do this, and then once a time comes to recover or restore data, stuff that they need isn't there. So I usually click on Let Me Choose, and we go to Next. And I'll go to my main drive, and if there's anything on the root directory you need to grab, you can go ahead and select it. Everything that you're typically going to need is going to be under the users folder, and then under your actual user folder information. And then you can grab stuff like the downloads, let's see, favorites, searches, VirtualBox, Fedora, and it looks like about it. Now, I'm also using OneDrive, so you don't see like my videos folder, my music folder, because that's all in the cloud. But you would be able to select all those same folders here too as well. I usually don't do the system image unless you're actually trying to restore the computer function-wise, but this is usually set up just for data restoration, so I will usually uncheck that option. And we'll say Next. And then here, before it shows you what it's going to back up, what's being excluded, but then also you can change the schedule. And some people like to have this like on Friday afternoon or Friday night or Monday morning. I do typically just tend to let it sit at its normal default settings, which is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Let me go ahead and say Save. And now it's actually going to run its first backup of the system to the location that you selected. And if there's any errors or issues, this will actually pop up and let you know what those problems are. But once this is done, that's pretty much it. As long as the computer is on when it hits the scheduled time to do a backup, everything will be automatic. And I think this is a better way of backing up the system in the event there was something disastrous to happen and you had to restore all of the data on your computer. I typically find this to be the easier route to go. There are other options like file history, but they do have some limitations. And this seems to be the most complete solution for most people. So just wanted to show a quick instruction on how to do all of that, and hope this helps somebody, and appreciate you checking out the video. Thanks so much.